Ghana Premier League numa ye de. Me no ka say Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko and officially only the Ghana Premier League table. No can it no otumfo nyankopon emfa shomokoi ekra ensi shomokoi be ka say broni bi fra brochiri ba no ka say league ne ya stop na e krobi Asante Kotoko na afa league na ode kokumase na ode akose Asante man animunyam. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Ghana Premier League table, and that table, and that screen is on Asante Kotoko A lead. But before that, my Memfa fixtures are a course so over the weekend, Matchday 24 no Emro, I was super no so. Without much I do, Bechem United at Snefie a share vision by 2-0. And a Heart of Lions, a share Kerala United by Longo. This is the Heart of Lions, no, or better second and after third. On it, baby, any go stars for you now more pay. And come about drag and a bad, but or 37 with baby any go stars. Legon Cities and also a tin in name, a share Brekum Chelsea 2-1. Diana ye Jumana Asante my Jumana Asante Kotoko. Senior man appear could be say Diana no Shema no who there's a Shema Kotoko. Or say baby any go stars 2-0. No win now Unya no a moving up on the league ladder in the Diana no Akosena or no Ashama Kotoko. Basaki Holy Stars needs your termine game or my postponed by Moboa. So at my so mobile into no Nations FC at Nefie. It can medium by 2-1. Goal scored by player Afreno our Black Stars Razak Simpson. Only the winner no Emma Tima Afreno. Nations FC. Bura na nkasa Dr. Kwamichi me penasem say wabe Kotoko adwuma pen o akoma pa yen we no wo na league table no and that screen no so no Accra Lions ni twatwo yes and Kumasi Asante Kotoko ni dikan with 38 points followed by Heart of Lions second position with 37 points baby any go stars it also 37 points. Phobia Accra has a folk. And so, and a Tahono. Probably the fourth position. House of Folk were 36 points. And our Nations FC. And also a close to gap. No, they were about 35 points. Bechem United 6. 33 points. 7th position, Mediama, 32 points. 8th position, Samates, 28. 9th position, Brekum Chelsea, 28. And at 10th position, Young Apostles, 27. Adriana Ewini, about 11th position with 25 points. 12th position, Dreams, Basaki, 13. Vision, 14. Ishatrema 15, Legon City 16, 17 Kerala, and 18 Accra Lions. Ishatrema Bakwa Dallas eventually.